guys, I am Preeti and you are watching this video on pick a card reading, and in this reading we are going to discuss about who is crazy about you. So I have the 7 different options plus the first option is already laid in front of me. I will be putting all the 7 options with a little bit of time lapse so that you can actually decide, you can actually look and decide which one of the options you want to see, which one of the options you want to select. Also at the same time, I would like to say that just go with the option which you feel, which intuitively you feel driven towards. Okay, so I will be just putting that little clip so that you can focus on the 7 options. So along with that, I would also like to say the timestamps for all the 7 options is given in the description box below, so you can just go ahead. First you just have to select intuitively the option that you are meant to select, and then go ahead with the timestamp and watch the necessary pile video. Okay, so let's get started. So now we have the first option, and who is crazy about you. This is with the option number 1, that is the carnelian stone. And in this option the card has to say that somebody who is crazy about you, he or she, now this is just a unisex reading, so this person is going to have a habit of jotting down. This person is going to have a habit of jotting down different points, or he or she is a writer. They just keep on writing, and maybe they might also be looking at you and taking down few points, looking at you, taking down few points. So that is also the one thing that is like very much visible from this option. The second thing is these people are also the ones who actually, whenever you are walking around, whenever you are just going somewhere, or whenever you are going for shopping or any other place, they are the ones who just keep turning their face, and they just keep looking behind at you, especially when you are walking behind them. Okay, they just keep on peeping at you, they just keep on looking at you at every little instance. Also they try to look at you stealthily. They just don't try to look at you very upfront. They don't want to make you aware that they are looking at you. Okay, so that is the one thing. That's the second thing that's coming up. The third thing I would like to say here is that these are the people who dream about you. This is the person who dreams about you, and yeah, they may actually appear a little bit sickening when they are trying to dream about you, or when they just look at you and then they just forget. Somehow they just appear so weird, they just appear so filmy and dramatic that they totally forget what they are doing and where they are looking. But when you look at them, when their gaze is just stuck at you, you realize that they are dreaming about you. Okay, so yes, so this is going to be the person who actually he or she, when they actually look at you, they just forget the entire world and they just get lost in their own thoughts. Okay, so that is the one thing that's coming. Also, there's one more thing about this person is coming, that whenever they sleep, they also they just keep fantasizing about you. So during your dreams, whenever you sleep, you might be getting their dreams. Okay, so yeah, because they have this wish so deep and so strong that whenever they are just like dreaming about you, when they are like asleep and they are just trying to dream or fantasize about you, you are getting this energy, you're getting those vibrations that okay, this person is thinking about me. You actually see their face, or you actually look at their image while you are also sleeping, or maybe while whatever you are doing. Okay, so yes, that is there. And also there is one more thing, that this person can be somebody who has gone through a breakup. This person has gone through a breakup, maybe just a recent breakup, a breakup that has just been a few months old, and this person is recovering from that breakup, and at the same time they are just having very strong attraction towards you. And in a way they just don't want to move on. In a way they just want to give them some time, give themselves some time, but at the same time, on the other hand, they are very much getting out of control whenever they just have a look of you. Okay, so yes, so that is there. And let's see what is the tarot, what the tarot has to say with this. The tarot has to say here that this is going to be the person who has a lot of inner strength, and it may be that you may know this person, and it may be that you may know this person from somebody else, from some other common friends or mutual friends, something like that. And it does say that these people have a lot of self-control, a lot of power of tolerance within them. Okay, and the way they have whatever they have done in the past, whatever they have gone through in the past, from that, the people who know them, they know that they have real inner strength. Also at the same time, they also have this great determination. They have this great determination. Whatever they want, they just feel that they will always achieve it, but not in the way that they intimidate you. If you don't have that feeling towards them, they don't want to force upon you. Okay, but yes, if you also are falling for them, if you are also having a little bit of soft corner for them, then they would try, or they would not leave any stone unturned so that they can achieve you. They will not leave any stone unturned so that they can achieve you, so that they cannot achieve you, right? So yes, I hope that you get this. And one thing that I would like to say, that somebody who is crazy about you, right? We are doing a reading for that. So this person can be crazy. This person is, yes, you can actually term them as very, very dramatic, very, very sickening dramatic. Okay, and they can totally go bonkers whenever they just come across you, and whenever they just think about you, or they just have a sight of you. Okay, so yes, so that is there. And now let's go ahead with the other cards. So the second option is this little sodalite stone, and if you had chosen this, then let's go ahead with this. So who is crazy about you? Okay, we are going to see into that. So here is going to be somebody who is a very delicate sort of person, very, not exactly delicate, but they are very expressive about whatever they do. They are very expressive, they are very explicitly expressive about the things that they create, the things that they make. They are going to be very creative. This person is going to be very creative, and they proudly can show that they have feelings for you. They don't have anything to hide. They don't feel afraid that you may actually stop talking to them, or you may avoid, or you may say no, or anything like that. They know that they have these feelings, and they proudly show that feeling off to you. Okay, so that is one thing. The second thing is they are very, very creative, and they can be creative in a number of different ways, just because this is a unisex reading and it can be about anybody. So creativity, the right brained people who are like very good artists or poets, or somebody who creates some art pieces, or writes some lyrics very well, anything that's creative. Okay, and the next thing is, these people are going to be very emotional, very highly emotional people, and they do care a lot about you, and they are also very emotional. They are very strongly rooted with their emotions, means they are proud of their emotions. They don't have anything to hide about it. At times when we get people that when they are very much emotional, they usually sometimes don't like to be called as this person is a very emotional person, but these people, they are like okay with their emotions, and they just like put their emotions forward than everything else. Okay, the next thing is, it's important to only think about what you desire and not what you fear. See, I can see a lot of water, a lot of water and a lot of water beings, which means that emotions are at play here. So that person is a very highly emotional person, and this person is very strongly devoted towards his or her emotions. They are very strongly committed to their emotions. Okay, the next thing is that they may be loners also. They don't like to have a lot of attention, but if they are getting a lot of attention, then they are not even ashamed of it. They are not even getting uncomfortable of that attention. But if they are not getting attention, if they are just on the side, still they will be fine with themselves. The next thing is they are very positive about their emotion. They feel very positively that someday or the other you will be agreeing to their feelings for them, and you will also start falling for them. So this is what they believe, and maybe they might be telling this to you very upfront. They never say anything that is like that just goes against yours and their relationship. Okay, they don't want to say a word against your relationship with that person. Okay, they always want to say everything positive about you and that person. Okay, so the next thing I would like to say is they just this person just feels that you are the perfect person for them, and they are very strongly committed to this. They even can get married to you. They can even get committed to you for the long-term relationship. Okay, the next thing I would like to say is, see, creativity is the key. So anybody who is highly creative, plus anybody who just is very strongly feeling that they are just committed, and the moment you say yes, that is where they are even ready to just take you and start living a new life with you, or they can just go and get married to you as soon as you say yes. Okay, so this is going to be the person who is going to be crazy about you. The thing is that let's say the appearance about what this person can be like, the appearance of this person can be, they have if it's female, they can have nice flowy long hair, not too long hair but longer than the shoulders. And if it's a man, the man also is going to have a little bit of length to their hair. Okay, so that is the physical appearance of this person who is crazy about you. Physical appearance. And the next thing I would like to say is they may also have begun doing law of attraction for you. Law of attraction, and they may have your picture in their room, they may have your picture in their mobile phone, and they may like your photographs a lot. You may be the screensaver or the wallpaper of their computer or the phone, right? So do be careful that you are already at a lot of places in their life. Okay, so they are already working upon how to bring you into that person's life. Okay, so that person is already working upon it. Also, see, this is a reading about who is crazy about you. So in this case, we are just getting into who is crazy about you. It's not about whether you should say yes or no to them, right? That is completely your choice. So don't get intimidated by this, because I know that when somebody is so strongly committed and somebody is so strongly preparing for doing law of attraction for you, it may be like scary, it may be just getting uncomfortable, but that is okay. Okay, so yes, now let's go ahead with the next option. So the next option is this little quartz stone. Little bit powerful, right? So yes, the next option is the quartz. So let's get into it. Here we have 3 cards from the Nature's Whispers Oracle and 1 card from the Energy Oracle, 2 cards from the Magical Mermaids and Dolphins, and the next 2 cards from the Sacred India Tarot. Okay, so let's get started with this. So the first thing is, okay, who is going to be crazy about you? Now, looking at the cards, I just feel that something very somebody who is very crazy about you. They are so much possessive about you that even if you are dating somebody, this person who is crazy about you, that person cannot see you with your date. That person cannot see you with your girlfriend or boyfriend. They are just so jealous. They just try to they are trying to have different ways where they can achieve you, they can get your attention such that you start liking them more than your date. Okay, so that is what is up in their mind. And whenever they are with you, they are very childlike, they are just very happy go lucky, and they want to make you happy, they want to make you laugh. And by doing that, by making you feel happy, by making you feel in very high spirits, they want to make you feel that you are better than your girlfriend or boyfriend. Okay, so they want to make you feel like that. The next thing I would like to say is the inner truth, the truth inside them. Somewhere they believe that you are also liking them secretly, and because of that belief, they just keep going on and on. They just keep on hanging on to you, because even though you may be committed to somebody, or you may be liking somebody, or you may be actually married to somebody, but even though you have somebody on your mind, still this person wants to believe that secretly inside, in a corner of your heart, you have a feeling for them, you have a crush for them, or you have a little bit liking for them, and that just keeps going them on and on. Okay, the next thing is, yes, they are always hopeful. Even though you are committed, even though you may be married, even though you may have a crush on somebody, still they are very hopeful, they are very happy that somewhere or the other this person is going to come to me one day. Yes, they may have this hope, that very strong hope they may have. And the next thing is one thing is, they might be talking this a lot with you, that they try to talk more with you, they try to mix more with you, and you already know what their intention is. You already know that they are falling for you, and somehow they are so hopeful that you may hook up with them someday. Okay, but you know that you are never going to do that, and that is why you just keep shooing them away, you keep driving them away. And what they say is that allow me to take care of you, allow me to show my feelings, allow me to show my care and my protection upon you, such that you don't have to feel guilty for it, you don't have to feel sorry for what you're not giving me. That is what they might be telling you. And yeah, it's pretty interesting, right? Let yourselves receive. So he or she, that person, wants that you just actually receive before just committing or taking any decision. Okay, and you know that you don't want to commit, and that is why you just totally want to avoid this person. Okay, the next thing is, this person may be an entrepreneur or a business person. Okay, and maybe if they are doing a job, they have a business or a self-employment thing on the side. Okay, so that is how you know that this is the person. And this person always has a lot of opportunities, and so this person, or you may be the person who is having a business, or you are doing a job and then have a side business, and this is the person who wants to come and join your business. So every possible way, they just want to try and get into your space so that they can have more time with you. Okay, the next thing with the tarot, let's see what the tarot has to say. See, with the tarot also the same thing is coming. This person, you may be already liking somebody else, you may have a crush on somebody else, you might be getting engaged or getting married, or you might be into a relationship with somebody else. But still this person has to keep on trying for you. Still this person has to believe that someday or the other, there is this hope that you may put your partner aside and you may give first preference to them. Okay, so this is what they feel. And the next thing I would like to say is that this person also prays about you a lot. This person prays about you a lot, tries to focus that they don't get disturbed by any other things and any other people, and they can just focus their total attention on you. And this is just because they believe that whenever you have your undivided focus on somebody, that is where you can give more energy to that person, and that is how that person is going to come to you more quicker, right? So yeah, this is what they believe. So I hope that this resonates with you. Let me know in the comments down below, how does this reading resonate with you? Okay, so yes, now let's get into the next reading. So the next option is with this little stone. This is an angel light piece. So let's go ahead with this reading. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing, who is crazy about you, right? So somebody who is crazy about you, this person is going to be somebody who is very far away from you, and yeah, they are very far away from you. Maybe a long distance sort of crush they may have on you, but this person is definitely very crazy. Also, I would like to say that this person can be somebody who you don't know, okay, whom you don't know personally, and maybe this must be somebody on the social media, and they may have seen you through mutual friends, and that is where they just have fallen for you. The thing that is coming up here is that they are also sickeningly crazy about you. Okay, sickeningly crazy about you is the right word. The next thing I would like to say is this person always stalks upon you. Okay, now as I said that this can be a long distance thing. They can be following you or on any social media. I'm just giving you an example of Facebook, but any social media can be the thing, and they might be looking at you like regularly, and also at the same time, whenever they can possibly help you, they might try every possible way that they can send help towards you. Heaven is working behind the scenes to help you, even if you don't see results yet. Okay, and somehow they believe that you will also someday realize that they like you, and you will also start wanting to connect with them. Okay, so that is what they believe. Let go of small thoughts about yourself and see yourself succeeding. Okay, now that is something more. Okay, how they feel about you, that they just don't want to take it that you may not be liking them. They just want to think everything positive about yours and theirs relationship. Okay, yes, so this is again, also I would like to say that this person can be of a very influential type of person. Means this person can be on a very good post, and this person may have a lot of power. Somewhere in the politics this person can be, or somewhere on a very high post of a good company, and that is how they have a lot of power. They have a lot of reach, right? They can reach to great heights, and somehow they can their help that they are sending you can reach you somehow or the other. Okay, and yeah, this is making me feel that, and somehow when you get that help, you just feel that heaven is helping you, but it is actually their help that is reaching you. The next thing that I'd like to say here is that this person always wants to see you happy. This person always wants that whatever your wishes are, they just keep on fulfilling from a distance. Okay, and someday they might actually even think that your paths may cross and you may actually know each other. Okay, so yes, but they have very less hope of that. Okay, they are always thinking of helping you invisibly like this, helping you invisibly. At the same time, they are also, see, if somehow they cannot be that influential, if they are not into politics or a very great post, they can be sending very, very strong prayers such that your life just keeps getting sorted out like easily. If you have a problem, you just don't have to worry much about it. It just gets sorted out on its own. So if that resonates with you, let me know in the comments down below. And okay, so yeah, so that is what is coming up for this reading. And yeah, so let's get ahead with the next reading. So then goes up for this reading. This is a beautiful petalite stone, and let's go ahead with the reading. So this is about who is crazy about you. Okay, so we are looking into somebody who is crazy about you. So this is actually showing me there are a lot of chances that your ex is going to be crazy about you. Okay, they still want that somehow they hook up with you and end up having a relationship with you. Okay, this can be your ex or this can be your close friend, and this person is so close that you may guys also be hugging each other a lot. And yeah, so that is there. The next thing I would like to say is this person is very possessive about you. This person always covers you up in whichever way possible. They will never let any sort of harm come to you, and it can be a very close friend or a close person who stays close to you, stays close to your house, or it can be your ex, your ex who has been close to you earlier. Okay, the next thing is this thing. It shows that this person always keeps admiring your beauty. This person always gives you compliments. Every time possible, whenever they can give a compliment to you, they just give it to you. And yeah, and they also feel that you are liking being complimented, so they just keep giving the compliments to you. And okay, the next thing is somehow or the other, there are so many instances, there are so many opportunities that just keep coming up that makes you and that person keep coming close to each other, and you have work to do together. This may be also your colleague. Okay, your colleague who actually sits next to you, somebody who has constantly needs your help, or you constantly need their help, and this person is going to be where they can be somehow or the other, both of you keep needing each other, both of you keep getting help from each other. Okay, so it's going to be that person. And the next thing I'd like to say is this person also meditates, somebody who meditates. Yeah, this is the person who is falling for you, who is crazy about you. And maybe you might secretly think that if this person meditates a lot, if this person is so much spiritual, how is it that they cannot control their desire of getting crazy over you? But that doesn't, they don't care about it. They just know that they are crazy about you, and whenever they have their eye upon you, this person has their eye upon you, they're just like gazing continuously. They're just like stuck on, the eyes are just like stuck on you, and like they're totally shameless about it. They don't even care whether you are feeling conscious. They don't even care whether you don't like it or not. They are very open about their feelings. They shamelessly stare at you, and yeah, so they shamelessly stare at you even at your face. They shamelessly stare at you even at your back. Okay, so yeah, so that is there. And okay, now let's go ahead. They have this little bit of negative feeling inside them that they may not be able to hook up with you, but still they have this very positive drive towards you. They just have this very strong feeling towards you that they ignore all the other noises that are ringing inside them, and they are just crazily looking at you. Okay, they are just crazily after you. Okay, so yeah, so that is how it goes. And let me know in the comments down below, how does this reading go with you? Okay, how much does this resonate with you? And yeah, so let's go ahead. So the next option is this little Larimar crystal, and if you have chosen this Larimar crystal, then go ahead. Let's go ahead with the reading. Okay, so let us say this option. Okay, now this is somebody, this is a person who was staying close to you, but now they are at a distance. Maybe they had gone to study, or they have gone to work at a distant place, and yeah, so they are not close to you, but they can come close to you, or they can meet you whenever they want. Okay, that's the first thing that is coming here. The next thing is this person can be your relative. This person can be your relative that they have this gateway. They have this gateway that they can enter into your life whenever they want. Okay, so yeah, your relative or your neighbor or your friend, somebody who is very close to your family, somebody who is very close to your friends and your near and dear ones, that they can come close to you whenever they want. Okay, so yes, that is going to be there. The next thing is they have these feelings for you at the same time. On the other hand, somehow they are also feeling like okay sort of thing, whether they should stick on to you or they should move on, because they never know that something can happen or not. And yes, that is what somehow it may appear in the way they behave. Sometimes they may appear very much inquisitive, that they want to know everything about you. Sometimes they might be very much curious and so much anticipating to know you. And on the other hand, sometimes they may just appear as if they don't have any interest. Okay, so yeah, that is there. And this person can be somebody with whom you have played in childhood, and you have played in childhood, or maybe if you met this person after you got young, this can be where you actually played a lot of indoor games or outdoor games once you grew up. Okay, nothing wrong with that, right? Even grown-up people do that. So yeah, you might have played indoor games, chess, or there are a lot of indoor games, right, like that, right? So a lot of indoor games. And yeah, the next thing is the next thing this card has to say, that this person might also they might play multiple games. Okay, on one side they might try to create hindrance between both of you, so that both of you don't see each other anymore. And on the other hand, they also try to design a plan where somehow or the other both of you get into a relationship. So yeah, both the side the practice for both these edges, like these are two different polarities, but they are trying for both of these different polarities, and they just want to see which one of it works. Okay, because if somebody is meant to happen, something will happen. If nothing is meant to happen, then things will not work. This is what they believe in. Okay, so that is where they are trying their hands on both the different options. Okay, because they have an option that they can get you, they have an option that they cannot get you. Okay, so yes, they are getting into both, and they are crazy about you, but at the same time they may appear totally detached from you. They may appear totally as if they don't have any feelings about you. Okay, so yes, that is going to be there. And let me know how much this reading resonates with you. Okay, let me know down in the comment box below. Yeah, so now let's go ahead with the next option. Okay, so this is the Seraphinite stone, and let's go ahead with the reading with the cards that came up for the Seraphinite. Okay, so these are the different options that came up, and yep, let's get started with this. Okay, so the first thing here that is coming here is Goddess of the Moon. So this is the person who can be very intuitive. This person intuitively knows what is happening to you, and as soon as you start needing help, or you are in difficulty or something, this is the person who calls you up and says, hey, do you need my help? So yeah, that is there. And they also want to be your beacon. Okay, they want to be your beacon. They want to be somebody who is always on your side, who is always ready to help you. Okay, so yes, that is there. And this person can be totally different from you. Okay, now yeah, who is crazy about you. Usually people believe that the somebody who has a crush on you, they have similar tastes like you, but yes, this person may have totally opposite taste than you, and you may be east and this person can be west, and that is totally possible. The next thing is, it is not a negative sort of polarity. Okay, as I said that both of you may be totally different, you are different, but yet that person is not negative. Okay, that person has a lot of positive positivity in themselves, and it's a totally different level of positivity. Whenever you try to talk to them, whenever you are trying to talk to each other, or whenever you're just interacting with each other, you just know when they start talking with you, you realize that there is a totally new and different perspective at what they are looking onto, and how that perspective is very different than your perspective. Okay, so yeah. And also I would like to say that this person is trying to run away from you. That person has so strong feelings for you that they just feel that they are very devoted towards you, but at the same time sometimes they just get afraid of their feelings. They just feel that it can just stay one-sided, and they can just have a lot of feelings and you may never have feelings for them at all, and that is where they just start running away from you. Okay, they start wanting to break free from all the bondages, all the emotional bondages that they have for you. Okay, the next thing I would like to say here is that this is going to be the person, this is going to be the person who wants to magically create everything that they can create for your life. There are people, right, they just don't want any stone unturned, such that they can make life easier for you. So this is that kind of person, that he or she, that person wants that they just do every possible thing to make your life comfortable, to make your life easy and happy. They can themselves take all the pain, they can themselves take all the troubles, but yeah, they might even be getting insulted, and maybe by somebody who is around you, so your friend or your parents or anybody whom you know, somebody who is very close to you. This person is trying to insult this person who is crazy about you, but the one who is crazy, they just keep on taking in all of that. They are getting insulted, they don't care. They are even getting hatred, but they don't even care for that. They are just always ready, that they are ready to create some magic in your life. Okay, Yosas, yeah, so this is how crazy they are for you. And yes, so as I told you that they are very different from you, two different polarities. You may be east, they may be west. The next thing is they want to be the beacon. They want to fulfill each and every wish of you. At the same time, somebody around you is just throwing hatred upon them. They are just trying to shoo them away, that hey, just go away, this person doesn't feel anything about you. And still they just keep coming back to fill in all the positivity in your life. Plus at the same time, they are also having this little bit of insecurity, that someday they just see that you have just gone and they are alone, and they don't want to go through that feeling, and that is where they also try to break free and run away from you sometimes. Yeah, so I hope that this resonates with you. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and let me know down in the comment box, how does this feel for you? Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. Keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Let me know in the comments also which is the next reading that you would like me to do. Okay, bye bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.